Hello community! Today I want to show you two-dimensional cross-correlations on ChatGPT. So here we go. I have a simple prompt to say, hey, write a table with the top 3 elements of the main branch of a mind map on innovation dynamics as the header for the rows, and the top 4 elements of the main branch of a mind map of risk assessment as the header for the columns of this table. So he goes in, creates the mind maps, and comes back with 3 or 4 elements. As you can see in innovation dynamics on the rows, he has emergent technologies, innovation, incremental, and disruptive innovation. And for the risk assessment, he comes up with probability, severity, mitigation, and response. And he tells us, yes, this is it, and the cells are currently empty. Well, so I ask him, hey, isn't that a coincidence? So act now as a professional venture capitalist and fill in all the empty cells with specific information regarding the rows and the columns. So establish a cross-correlation between X and Y axis and fill in the corresponding topics, acting as a venture capitalist. And here it is. Of course, it is a very general response. So I say, okay, hey, can you add a 4th row with the row header, proprietary AI system, and fill out the corresponding cell for this row too? Then he comes back, ChatGPT, hey, sure, yes, it is. This is an updated table for you with 4 rows. Specially added proprietary AI system. Do I think about Bing Chat AI? No, why should I? So you see, easily. You just have to be specific. It is a little bit of a hidden chain of thought agenda that I have here, but you can see, you can build it up and he becomes better and better and better. But of course, we are not satisfied here. So you see here, row number 4, proprietary AI system, risk of unintended consequences from algorithmic biases, potential for legal and ethical issues related to data privacy, security, regular testing, auditing of AI models. So beautiful. So he filled in all the relevant two-dimensional correlation data as an LLM. Our 4 risks and our 4 innovation dynamics elements. Now, isn't this beautiful? But we are not satisfied. Never, ever. So we have some simple question. Can you fill out the above table for the specific market segment of internet search engine with a special emphasis on AI-empowered search? I have no idea why I ask ChatGPT this particular question. But you can see now he fills in everything with a specific market segment focused answer in each and every cell of this matrix. Yes, 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 of course, it is still relatively general. Just example, yes, yes, yes. But you know, I think it is nice. Look here. Here we have an overview of our 4 risks element and our 3 innovation dynamics plus proprietary AI systems. So this looks great, but hey, let's advance a little bit. What do you think? Now, you can ask ChatGPT for help. Can you tell me how I increase your answer in each cell of the above table? You have to be absolutely specific to a minimum of 50 words. And he goes on, sure, probability, we can here, availability of large data sets, severity, potential consequences on risk in more detail. If we want to talk about mitigation, here could provide more strategic innovations for mitigating the risk, IP infringement, yes, beautiful. About response, to expand, you could discuss the specific action that a venture capitalist could take in response to this risk case of ethical concerns related to AI research, discuss the importance of establishing a clear code of ethics for AI. So you see, beautiful. He tells you, hey, this is what we can do. Now, either you can go into every element probability, or you can just tell him, hey, can you now implement the content in your last answer and increase your answer in each cell to a minimum of 70 words? So we let ChatGPT do the work. I have to go now to the minimum screen. I think it's 30% here on my Firefox browser. But you see, he starts now to fill out here minimum of 70 words. Just to show you what's happening. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we have this now for a specific market segment of internet search engine with the specific focus on AI-empowered search. Now, what you notice here, we will run up against the maximum length in an answer. And it will happen in a second. I think this, yeah, I will finish. And then you can see the last cell is empty. And I've chosen this example here to show you here exactly. This is now, if you have a this is the free GPT. If you have the non-free GPT, you can increase now the limit of token he responds to your questions. So beautiful. You say, hey, excellent, thank you. But how can I extract now all of this information? In the table you generated in your last answer, so how can I copy it to my computer? And it tells me, hey, it's easy. Just select everything and say copy. On Windows, on Mac, Command-C, or you take a screenshot. So it's so easy. And I think, well, great. So just let's do that. Because I want to show you that even in the free version, or when you have no access to OpenAI API, that you can just copy here the content. And oops, there's the text. I don't want a text. Just want to hear all the different the content of the cells. This is what I want to copy. And I just want to show you, if you take this, Control-C, copy it, and then I just open here a Word document, and you see here it is. 2 pages, beautiful, all the content, all the documentation here now in a Word document. So it is amazing what you can do with these things. You just have to be precise in your command. And in the next video, I show you that for each row, you can define a person, a specialist that gives you a highly dedicated answer. And we can now define a professional Q&A system for a specific market segment. I say thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and I hope you come back for the next video.